The Federal Executive Council has approved the request to obtain a loan of $150 million from the African Development Bank to finance the Nigerian Electrification Project. Minister of Finance, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, disclosed this at the end of the council meeting presided over by President Muhammadu Buhari.
The first memo was a request for approval to get a facility of $150 million from the African Development Bank and $50 million from the African Grow Together Fund to finance the Nigerian Electrification Project. The Nigerian Electrification Project is a nationwide initiative to be implemented by the Rural Electrification Agency. The project aligns with the strategy of the federal government on electrifying the rural community. The project has 4 components. The first component is solar hybrid mini-grid for rural economic development. The second program is productive appliances equipment for off-grid communities. And the third component is energizing education, while the fourth component is institutional capacity building. The impact of the project, when fully implemented, will be that about 500,000 people will be able to obtain access to electricity, and this is about 105,000 households. The maximum power that will be generated will be 76.5 megawatts installed generating capacity, part of which is 68 megawatts of solar. There will be 8 universities that will be benefiting from this scheme, and about 20,000 small, micro, medium enterprises across different communities.
Meanwhile, the minister also refuted media reports that the federal government had agreed with the International Monetary Fund's advice on the removal of fuel subsidy. She said the government could only remove subsidy on fuel after having enough buffers to cushion the negative effects of the removal on ordinary citizens.